Let's make a card. We're going to start by using a blending brush with some balmy blue ink onto some basic white cardstock. Just get a good covering on there the way you want. It's always easier to add ink than to take it away. All right, then I'm going to use a stencil with masking tape as my hinge, Night of Navy ink going back over the top with another blending brush. I love this tone-on-tone look. And like I said before, it's much easier to add ink than to remove it. All right, we'll lift up, looks good. Pick up our sentiment with our stamp positioner, real red ink for our sentiment. I love the way this sentiment looks. And this card goes together so fast, it's crazy. All right, white card base folded in half, and we'll use dimensionals on the back side of our stenciled and stamped piece. Remove the backings and add it to the front, and all we have left to do is add some rhinestones. Now be sure to like and follow I2 Stamping for more card making ideas. Got a lot headed your way this fall, so be sure to check back for more. Have a great day!